Representing Green Card, one-stop solution for all green building problems. With Green Card you will get access of premium features like Eco-Library, extra discounts and offers, 30+ appointments, extra discounts in installation, exclusive campaigns and contest, technical courses, 5 free project registration. Econaur provides free project registration support for your sustainable project along with Green Card and assists you in all aspects to make building sustainable. With Green Card get access of Econaur Learning Academy where you can learn all about sustainable buildings and grow together with an experienced team of sustainable professionals. Get all the details about sustainable building codes, technical e-books and much more by experts related to sustainable construction at the Eco Library. With Green Card offerings, get a free consultation from 75+ product manufacturing partners. With Green Card you can participate in sustainability awards. We acknowledge the effort made by organizations towards achieving their sustainability objectives and goals. With Greepons get exclusives, discounts and offers on 500+ sustainable products. Register today for Green Card.